Hello guys, I'm back with a new video showing how to integrate aiomatic with Venice.ai. So some of you guys asked this question a lot and here I am. I will show you how to integrate Venice.ai into aiomatic, as this is already possible. Also in the older versions of the plugin you will be able to do this. Just follow this tutorial video and you will be able to use Venice.ai in aiomatic. So what's so special about Venice.ai? They claim that they have anonymous prompts, I guess, and yeah, you guys might know this better than me. Okay, so let's go ahead and spin up aiomatic here on my testing site. And afterwards go to Settings, API Keys tab, and here in the main API service provider select Custom OpenAI Compatible API. So after you selected this, you need to enter in the OpenAI Compatible API base URL https api.venice.ai/API. So this is the URL, the base URL of their API. You can get it also in their getting started guide, as this will be their base API for the for their services. And afterwards you will need to enter your API key here. You can get your API key by going to venice.ai settings/API, and here you will need also to add some prepaid credit, because you can see I just paid and my payment is processing on their part. So to get your API key, I have $10 balance. You need to generate new API key here. Click here, add a description, leave everything at its default state and hit create. After you create your API key, copy it and go back to settings and paste it here in the OpenAI compatible API keys input field. After you've done this, you will need to select which models you want to use. So you can use models. This is a model example. I used this. So enter the model that you want to use, one per line. So if you want to use multiple models, hit a new line and enter your model on a new line. Okay, so now that I've done this, so entered the API base URL for Venice.ai, set custom OpenAI compatible API, OpenAI compatible API key, set my Venice API key, and set the model that I want to use. Now let's save settings. And afterwards, go to the part of the plugin where you want to use this new service. So for example, in the chatbot, in bot configuration, click on the bot model and scroll down here until you see OpenAI compatible here. So this is the model that you entered, and OpenAI compatible, this is the Venice.ai. So now let's save settings. And we selected now the OpenAI compatible model, the one that we entered here exactly, and we can test it. Hi. Hello, how can I help today? So as you can see, we can chat and we can use in any part of the plugin starting from now in single AI post creator, bulk AI post creator, omniblocks, content editor, and forms, and chatbot, and more, the new Venice.ai feature. So to use it in the single AI post creator, for example, search model settings here, and same as before, scroll down until you see the OpenAI compatible model that you entered, and simply write a keyword here and click generate title. And here it is, yeah, it's not perfect, but it's created by Venice.AI. So this is how you can use it. Aiomatic is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. Venice.AI also is linked below. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. If you want me to create more similar videos, let me know in the comments. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Have a nice day. Bye bye.